Hey there, I'm Sarah Doody, and in not too long, I'm teaching a workshop called The Product of You, where you are going to learn how to apply UX and product principles to your resume, your portfolio, your case studies, your LinkedIn profile, your job search, and everything related to landing your next role so that you don't have to apply to hundreds of jobs. Now, how did I create this workshop? So, over the last 5 years, I have been focusing on the space of careers, job search, and everything that entails. And I've noticed one really big mistake that UX people make over and over and over. And that mistake is pretty ironic. See, most people don't apply UX and product principles to their careers. And your career is just like a product. We've all heard those stories of startups and products that jumped right into design or that raised all this money and didn't do research. And what happens? A lot of those launch and then don't have users, or they end up going bankrupt or just shutting down. And the same applies to your career. If you want to increase the chances that you're going to land your next role without applying to hundreds of jobs, you need to apply these UX and product principles to your career so that you stand out and your resume, portfolio, etc. meet the needs of the users and stakeholders in this whole process. So some of those mistakes I see are that UX people love to jump right into the design of things, their portfolio, their resume, etc. And they don't think strategically about what is the purpose of this? Who is this for? What is the content? And I see this happen time and time again, where we jump into design, we don't think about strategy or the users. Another mistake I see is that so many people get obsessed and caught in trying to perfect all of these things, but forget that when we're working on products, what are we aiming for? We're aiming to get some type of version of the product out there. Some people call it MVP, so that we can get it in the hands of people, see how they use it, and learn as we go. And guess what? The same applies to your resume, portfolio, etc. If you wait to try and perfect all of this, you are going to delay actually applying to jobs to see or test, does this resume even work? Does this portfolio work? So in this workshop, The Product of You, we are going to put an end to this cycle of UX people who are not applying product design and UX principles to their careers, and instead start doing this so you can be ready to apply faster and not have to apply to hundreds of jobs. This workshop is also going to be an open house for my UX job search accelerator called Career Strategy Lab, where we are going to show you stories of people who've worked with us and gone to get hired at companies including Blue Origin, IBM, Intel, Amazon, and many, many more. So if you are a UX or product professional who wants to land your next role in 6 months or less, definitely possible, or you just want to make sure that your resume, portfolio, all your materials are ready to go in case unexpected opportunities come to your inbox, then you don't want to miss this workshop. So click the link below to fill out an application so that we can make sure you're the type of person we are really confident we can help. And then we will send you all the details for the workshop. Hope to see you there.